In this video, I'm going to go from this to this. Okay, so the T-Bird has a slight issue with the glove box cover right here. So I am going to take it off and swap it with one that I purchased from eBay. Okay, so then take off these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after that comes off, there'll be some screws holding a plate on here, and then a couple of screws for the latch assembly too. Obviously I'm going to retain my original latch assembly, so the key will fit. This is not stuck on or anything, just remove that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to separate the latch assembly and finally the cover. And now you can see a little bit more why I'm having to replace this. This came up, the upholstery came up. Could be easily fixed at a upholstery shop, but I found one on eBay, so I'm just going to swap it out. I will save this though, and possibly go ahead and have it repaired just to have a backup. Now you did pay attention to which holes went where, right? Because that can be a lot of fun. An easy way to figure that out is you can look for some scarring from the screws on the metal if you didn't really pay that close attention. So reassembling, of course, these screws go in first, these two here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And you can always refer back, you can always refer back to a photo or this video to remember which screws actually go in next. And then after we get that on, then put this on and finish the screws. Or you can just simply look at this piece and see where the screw holes are at versus that. And there it is. No leftover screws or holes. So, good job. So I'll have to go back and review Doug DeMuro's video, but I think he may have missed this as a quirk and feature of the Thunderbird. It's a little clothes hanger. Since it's a convertible, there's no place to hang clothes up in it, so there it is on the glove box. So anyway, there we go. We got the door box, we got the glove box door replaced, and now it all looks good again. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. I need my phone.